Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Cross-price elasticity measures how the quantity of one good reacts to price changes of another. We have a value of negative 2.8 here. Start by looking at the sign of the cross-price elasticity coefficient provided in the problem. A negative value indicates that the two goods move in opposite directions during market changes. When the price of one good rises, the demand for the other good falls. This inverse relationship is the classic definition of goods that are used together in the market. Since our value is negative 2.8, these goods are definitely complements. That makes option D our final winner for this economics challenge today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully. Trust given values and check your steps for success.